Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Learn channel. Today I want to show you how you can create a video in text movie title intro. For this purpose, we use VideoProc Vlogger software. This software is free. This is a video that is used as a background. This is the background music. Well, first open the software. Select 1920 by 1080 from the video resolution section. Click on New Project. We need white text that is created as a picture with black background. You can use this software to create this picture or third-party software like Photoshop. For this purpose, click on Text. Type the desired text in this field. In this section, choose black to make the letters wider. Then adjust the text size. To make sure the text is in the center of the screen, we use rulers and guides. Click on the rulers icon. Drag the mouse from the vertical ruler to the right to create a vertical guide. Then set it to the center. Drag the mouse down from the horizontal ruler to create a horizontal guide. Then set it to the center. Now click on this icon and then place the text in the center of the screen. Now click on this icon to clear the guides. Scroll down and set the offset to 0 in the text shadow section. Now click on the snapshot icon. Drag the picture and drop it in this area. Delete the text from the subtitle track. Drag the picture to the overlay track. Drag the picture to 10 seconds. You can change this duration according to your project. Scroll down and click on Height from the Fit to Screen section. Click on Motion. Select Zoom and Preset and click on Add. In this case, 2 keyframes are created at the beginning and end of the video. Drag the second keyframe and place it on the 7th second. Click on the frame control icon and select 16:9 from the aspect ratio section. We place the viewing box on the letter we want to zoom on so that the entire preview window becomes white. Then we add a keyframe to the end of the video. Click on Play. Finally, click on Apply. Now drag the background video and background music and drop it in this section. Drag the video to the video track. Drag the video to 10 seconds. Drag the music to the audio track. Set the playhead to 10 seconds and click on Split. Delete the extra part. Now select Picture. Scroll down and select Darken from the Compositing section. Click on Play. Now we make the music settings. I explained these settings in the previous video, the link of which is at the top of the page. Now we click on Export to output the video. In the Quality section, I set the quality to high. Finally, click on Start. The operation was completed successfully. Let's check the output file. I think it was good. What do you think? I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. By joining my Telegram channel, You can find out about my latest published videos. Thanks for watching this video.